Wala na kaya. Flat yung sasakay na. Thank you. Libre ba yung payong? Okay, mana ka na. Delayed.
Oh, weather.
Yep.
Wow.
Tagal mo ba? You can see the very beautiful flight attendant is talking to the passengers.
Luggage and storage bins. In addition, please do not leave your baggage unattended. Should you need our assistance, please do not hesitate to call on any of us. Yes, seated by the emergency exit rows are asked to read and review the exit row card explaining your seating requirements. If you feel that you would be unable to carry out the instructions in an emergency evacuation, or concerned about injuries or wish to be reseated, please notify our cabin crew at this time.
3D.
CND.
Alis na, iwanan na yung mababagal. Na tayo, iwanan na yung mababagal. Matagal sumakay eh.
Good. Saan ba tayo pumunta? Ganda.
Ganda pag mga.
Sino ba yung ano? Yung cabin ko, ang ganda.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to depart for Naga. In command of the aircraft is Captain Lauron, ably assisted by First Officer. Ay lilipad na humigit kumulang sa 55 minuto. Ang oras ng ating pagdating ay 30 minuto makalipas ang ikawalo ng umaga. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to Kat, who will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, the cabin is pressurized. For guests requiring oxygen during decompression, the cabin crew shall provide a release tool. When this happens, insert the release tool into the pinhole. Grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, window shades up, and your tray table stowed.
Ready to fly.
di mo nilabas yung candy natin. Anes, di mo nilabas yung candy natin.
Ano?
Yung candy, hindi mo nilabas.
Cabin crew, prepare for departure.